Today we're going to be doing a monthly plan with me, and I am going to show you what I want to do for the month of May, what's going on. We're going to get started. All right, flipping to May. Hip hip hooray, it's already May. I don't even know how to feel about this. I really don't. Like, literally, I know they say the older you are, the faster time goes by, but I don't even understand it myself. All right, so the first thing I want to do is move this. See, this is what I do with sticky notes sometimes. I pulled a few of them off, but apparently I missed that one. Okay, so I'm primarily going to focus on using the Neon Lights sticker book that was recently released. I think it's so cute, and it's very colorful and bright, and I just felt like that's how I wanted to be for the month of May. National Hamburger Day. Who doesn't love that? So obviously we still have a few days left in April, but that to be said, we want to make sure that we're... So I'm taking these stickers with the box dates cut out, and I'm putting them on dates that I know I have certain things already going, so I can kind of prepare for them, is the way I'm starting out, and then I'll write them in. But of course, you know, I like to decorate. I like to have lots of decorative days of the month on there, so I want to make sure that I am working on getting all that done. Excuse me. Cough, cough, cough. And I'm really not, like, I'm just throwing whatever down I want to throw down in the month of May. I don't care how many colors. I don't care if they match or don't match. It doesn't really bother me one direction or another. I just want it to be fun and festive and super exciting. Well, I might not do that for that date, actually. Wednesday the 1st. Put this down here. So cute. All right, now, I have like, oh, I did that one. I have like so many things in May that I'm getting myself confused. Okay. May is going to be a busy month. Is it a busy month for you? Let me know. I want to know. I always look forward to it. But it's going to be a busy month. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, now that I have a few dates down, I'm going to write in some dates that I know I have things going on. So Monday, although Monday technically is not part of this month because it's on here, I'll start working out of May already. So Monday I have a 5 p.m. showing. Tuesday I have my 9 a.m. meeting. And again, Megan's handwriting is super sloppy. And I like it that way. It's identifiable that way. Can't miss it. Everyone knows it's a Megan. I have my board meeting. Then Friday I have... What else? The 7th. The 7th is a very special day. And I have to find the right sticker. The 7th, I don't even know if I have a sticker in here that's going to work. I really thought there was birthday stickers in here. I really did. But you know what? We'll just do this. I will just... I don't know, because there's no balloon or anything. Come on, I thought that you had that sticker book. It's a shame, I really did. Okay, alright. Well, then what I'm going to do is just put one of these doodadders. I'll find a balloon or something for it. The 7th is my son's 5th birthday. And I am so excited about it because he's just adorable and he's so excited about it. And his brother's birthday was this past week, and although he understood it was not his birthday, it's always hard. Kids and birthdays, it's hard because they're like, well, wait a second. All right, let's see. That's cute. Oh. Whew. And then Mother's Day. Okay. So then on the 4th, we have a birthday party to go to. Then, see, a lot of it is going to be in the beginning of the month. And as the month kind of flows on, I will continue to add things to it. But it is like, it will happen in like other ways. So, closing 45:05. Okay. And yes, I can read that even if it looks a little crazy from here on forward. All right, so now that I have some important dates written down and important things written down as to what I'm doing, I'm now going to take some of these stickers and just continue to decorate it up a little bit more, knowing that other things will inevitably come up, as they always do, and it will be good. So I do try to leave certain spaces just in case. Oh, that's the other thing. The 23rd. Look, I'm remembering stuff. Now, I'm remembering stuff. We have our end of year celebration for my son's preschool. I also have lots of birthdays in that month too. This is a birthday. This is a birthday. Lots of birthdays, but I will write that on a different section. Unless we have a party pertaining to it, but we don't because they're not. Those birthdays don't live around here. They don't live around these parts. They just don't. Alright. Ooh. Hooray! I feel like that should be on this day. But I guess I'm going to put it right there. And these, I love these little stickers for putting little tiny appointments or something because they will totally work. Hashtag whatever. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop. But here's what I'll say. With this particular monthly spread, I just wanted to stick with primarily one sticker book, which I actually think I did, and just leave it super fun and super colorful. Monthly spreads are like no cares for me. They're just fun. It's your planner. Do what you want with it. Don't care about matching things unless you care about matching things. Like, it is your planner. Make it how you want it. And that's exactly what I like to do for the months. I just like to throw stuff down, make it super colorful and fun and not have to think about it and not put too much effort into it, because it is just supposed to be fun. However you want to do it, make it that way. So this is a great start for my month. It will fill up very quickly, but normally what happens is things come in during the week that they're already there. So a lot of times my monthly will fill up with appointments and dates that I don't want to miss or forget about, but then my weeks fill up even more than that after the fact. So this is a great way to start the month. I always like to add stickers to it. If you add stickers that have space to write, those are going to be the ones that are going to be the best for your monthly. And then that way you don't overwhelm it too much, but it's still colorful and fun. So I hope that this was helpful for you. I am so glad to be back. And remember, I will be uploading a lot this week, so don't miss any videos. Hit that subscribe button because you want to be part of this fun as everyone else. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Have a great day.